What is the main function of a CPU in a computer? Answer. To perform calculations and execute instructions. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, processes all the instructions from programs and the operating system. Which device is primarily used for providing input to the computer? Answer. Keyboard. The keyboard is an input device used to input text, numbers, and commands into a computer. Which part of the computer is responsible for storing data? Answer. Hard disk. The hard disk is a non-volatile memory used for storing data permanently. What does RAM stand for? Answer. Random access memory. RAM is a type of volatile memory that temporarily stores data that the CPU needs while performing tasks. Which of the following is an example of system software? Answer. Operating system. System software helps manage the hardware and software resources, and the operating system is the most common system software. What is the full form of URL? Answer. Uniform Resource Locator. URL is the address used to access websites and web pages. Which type of memory is non-volatile and permanent? Answer. ROM, read-only memory. ROM retains data even when the computer is turned off and is used to store firmware. Which key combination is used to open Task Manager in Windows? Answer. Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. This key combination directly opens Task Manager for monitoring processes. What is the shortcut key for copying text in a document? Answer. Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus C is the standard shortcut for copying selected text or objects. Which protocol is used to transfer files over the Internet? Answer. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. FTP is a standard network protocol used to transfer files between computers on a network. Which is the most common operating system used in personal computers? Answer. Windows. Microsoft Windows is one of the most widely used operating systems in the world. What does GUI stand for? Answer. Graphical User Interface. GUI is a user interface that allows users to interact with electronic devices using graphical icons and visual indicators. Which company developed the Android operating system? Answer. Google. Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google. What is the function of the ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit? Answer. To perform arithmetic and logic operations. ALU is a part of the CPU that handles arithmetic and logical calculations. What does PDF stand for? Answer. Portable Document Format. PDF is a file format created by Adobe to present documents consistently across different devices. Which technology is used to make telephone calls over the Internet? Answer. VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. VoIP allows users to make voice calls using a broadband internet connection. What is the main function of a firewall in a computer network? Answer. To protect against unauthorized access. A firewall filters incoming and outgoing network traffic based on security rules. What does DNS stand for in networking? Answer. Domain Name System. DNS translates domain names into IP addresses, allowing browser to load internet resources. What is the function of the BIOS in a computer? Answer. To initialize hardware during the booting process. BIOS, Basic Input, Output System, controls the startup process and initializes hardware components. Which storage device uses flash memory and is faster than traditional hard drives? Answer. SSD, Solid State Drive. SSDs use flash memory, which offers faster data access compared to traditional mechanical hard drives. What is phishing in terms of computer security? Answer. A method to steal personal information by tricking individuals. Phishing involves fraudulent attempts to obtain sensitive information by disguising as a trustworthy entity. Which type of software is used to create documents? Answer. Word processor. A word processor, like Microsoft Word, is used for creating and editing text documents. Which company is known for developing the Linux operating system? Answer. Linus Torvalds. Linux was developed by Linus Torvalds and is an open-source operating system. Which type of memory is used for temporary storage while the computer is running? Answer. RAM, Random Access Memory. RAM stores data temporarily for quick access by the CPU. What is a network that covers a small geographical area such as a building? Answer: LAN, Local Area Network. A LAN connects devices within a limited area, such as a home, school, or office. Which of the following is a binary number? Answer: 100 and 1010. Binary numbers use only 0 and 1 to represent data. Which device is used to connect two or more networks? Answer: router. A router forwards data packets between computer networks. Which application software is used for calculations and data analysis? Answer: spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel allows users to organize, calculate, and analyze data. Which technology is used to scan printed documents and convert them to digital format? Answer: OCR, Optical Character Recognition. OCR converts different types of documents, such as scanned paper documents, into editable and searchable data. Which of the following is a command line operating system? Answer: DOS, Disk Operating System. DOS is a command line based operating system used in older computers. What is the smallest unit of data in a computer? Answer: bit. A bit is the smallest unit of data and can have a value of 0 or 1. Which type of printer uses toner powder to print documents? Answer: laser printer. Laser printers use a laser beam and toner powder to produce high-quality prints. What does HTTPS stand for? Answer: Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. HTTPS is an extension of HTTP that provides secure communication over a computer network. Which shortcut key is used to paste copied content? Answer: Ctrl+V. Ctrl+V pastes copied content into the desired location. What is the purpose of cache memory in a computer? Answer: to store frequently accessed data for quick retrieval. Cache memory stores frequently used data and instructions to speed up the processing of applications. Which programming language is known as the backbone of the World Wide Web? Answer: HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard language used to create and structure content on the web. Which unit measures the processing speed of a computer? Answer: Hertz, Hz. The processing speed of a computer is measured in Hertz, representing the number of cycles per second. What does ISP stand for? Answer: Internet Service Provider. An ISP provides users with access to the Internet. What is the purpose of antivirus software? Answer: to detect and remove malware from a computer. Antivirus software helps protect computers from malicious software such as viruses and worms. Which unit is used to measure the resolution of a computer screen? Answer: pixels. The resolution of a screen is measured in pixels, with higher pixel counts indicating better image clarity. Which device converts digital signals to analog signals for transmission over phone lines? Answer: modem. A modem modulates and demodulates signals to enable communication over analog telephone lines. What is the function of the Ctrl+Z keyboard shortcut? Answer: undo the last action. Ctrl+Z is used to reverse the most recent action performed in a document or program. Which technology is used in credit and debit cards for making secure payments? Answer: RFID, Radio Frequency Identification. RFID is used in contactless payment systems for secure and quick transactions. Which key combination is used to refresh a web page in a web browser? Answer: F5. Pressing F5 reloads the current web page in most web browser. Which type of memory is used for permanent storage in computers? Answer: ROM, read-only memory. ROM is non-volatile memory used to store firmware and essential system instructions permanently. What is the term for malicious software designed to damage or disrupt a computer system? Answer: malware. Malware refers to any software intentionally designed to cause harm, such as viruses, worms, and trojans. Which device is used to amplify the strength of a signal in a network? Answer: repeater. A repeater boosts or amplifies signals in a network to extend the distance they can travel without degradation. What does the term booting refer to in computing? Answer: Starting up a computer. Booting is the process of starting a computer and loading the operating system. Which is the main language used for creating web pages? Answer: HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard language for creating and designing web pages.